Hello, welcome to IoT Slam 2015. I hope you're having a great conference so far. And thank you for joining me for the Delicate Sound of Thunder, observations about Salesforce IoT Cloud. My name is Zachary Jeans, and I am an independent strategist and founder of Tourizing. Basically, it's a consulting firm that delights in bringing clarity to the enterprise software world with a particular expertise in the Salesforce ecosystem. My particular background and expertise, I'm one of the #1 Salesforce influencer on Twitter according to research done by Run Consultants, as well as one of the top 50 retweeted individuals by IT leaders according to Leadtail. I also serve in the capacity as a Constellation Research Orbis member, research group, an extended research group, focused on digital disruption and technology, business models, and just society in general. And beyond that, I'm on the leadership team at Lead with Giants, which is an organization dedicated to raising up 10,000 uplifting leaders across education, business, tech, government. Basically, we just want to see leaders lead with a positive framework instead of a negative one. And afterwards, after this presentation, I'd love to be in contact with you, or during the presentation for that matter, because I'll be on Twitter. You can find me at Zachary Jeans, right down there at the bottom. That's just my name on Twitter, and look forward to meeting you in real life someday.